Since 2008, people around the world have reported hearing strange trumpet-like sounds coming from the sky. These eerie blasts have been recorded in Canada, Germany, the United States, and even remote islands, yet no source has ever been found. Some describe it as metallic groaning, others say it sounds like a warning horn from the heavens. Scientists have tried to explain it as atmospheric pressure changes, earthquakes, or industrial sounds, but none fully match the phenomenon. In ancient texts, sky trumpets were said to signal the end times. Is it natural or something greater echoing across the earth? Ça